Here you go. Here we are, walking to nothingness. Let's see. Let's see. The motor pool is somewhere over there. Let's see. Yeah, it's recording. It makes a little video. It'll make like at least 13 minutes. Make video of this shitty sandstorm. Watch this. Once again, we are shafted. Shafted by the army and Mother Nature. Iraqi people don't like us. Iraqi weather doesn't like us. Can we get a fucking break? Take a look. Take a look at the beautiful surroundings of what we've been looking at all fucking year. All year. That's alright though. We're going to the house. We're going to the house. Oh my god. Oh, I'm going to the house. Okay. Say hello. Hello to my mommy. Okay, good. Mommy. She'll be like, I have another kid.